Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 248, Licensing Dashboard. The Power Pages product team has been hard at work building dashboards to make the lives of Power Pages administrators easier. These are available in the Power Platform Admin Center. In this tip, we're going to look at the new Licensing Dashboard. To find it, look under the Billing area for the Licenses page. Here, you can select Power Pages from the drop-down of Products. This will show you a breakdown of what types of licenses you have, including the Legacy D365 add-on, Pay-as-you-go, and the capacity-based licenses, both the Legacy Portals ones and the current ones based on monthly active users. Clicking on the Manage Capacity link will open up a flyout allowing you to view the capacity assigned per environment, both for authenticated and anonymous. Clicking on an environment allows you to make changes to the assigned capacity. Below the licensing summary, you can see your total authenticated and anonymous capacity, including a pie chart showing the breakdown per environment. Beside that, a history graph shows your assigned and total available licenses, plus what you actually consumed, and if you have any overages. You can change the time range for this graph. Note that licensing consumption can take up to 24 hours to be reflected on this graph. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 248 on Licensing Dashboard useful.